Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so this video we will discuss about bipolar junction transistor BJT for AC analysis. Okay, as we know that to analyze the BJT circuits we have two types. Okay, the first one we have discussed before in our last presentation is a DC analysis, and right now we have to do AC analysis for the BJT circuits. Okay class, let's we move to the next slide. Okay, as you can see in the slides, okay, so the AC analysis actually is a techniques for small signals or large signals, and then the key transistor small signal analysis is to use the equivalent circuits model, and actually there are three models that can be used in the small signal AC analysis. Okay, the first one is RE model. Okay, second one is the hybrid pi model, and the third one is the hybrid equivalence models. Okay, but in our syllabus we only focus on RE models. Okay, so what is the RE models? Okay, I will introduce you later. Okay, now we move to the next slide. Alright, so you can see in this slide is what is the type of this circuits. Okay, I for sure you all already know this type of BJT circuits. This is a voltage divider circuits. Okay, so we will use these circuits to demonstrate and then to analyze for AC analysis. Okay, the first one as you can see in the slide, for the BJT circuits we have to consider all the capacitors, okay, inside the circuits, which is we have to means not to avoid the capacitor as we do in the DC analysis. Okay, so let me demonstrate you how to do RE model for these circuits. Okay, so we have a BJT voltage divider. Okay, and then we have to firstly we have to draw the circuits. Okay, simplify the circuits. So right now we have here VS, and then we have a RS, and then we have the capacitor. Okay, capacitor here. Okay, for the AC analysis, capacitor we have to short. Okay, we have to consider the capacitor, but for the AC analysis we have to short it. Okay, then what we have R2, we have R1, and then we will remove the VCC, and then we replace with the ground like this. Okay, and then at this side, at the base side, okay, so we already know this is a base, and then this is collector. Okay, alright, so we continue. We have a RC here. Okay, as we know that the VCC here we have to remove and replace with the ground, and then okay, this is a collector, and then we have capacitor here. Okay, capacitor we have to short. Okay, then we only have this output, okay, positive, same thing in the left side. You can see the circuits. Okay, and then now we have at the emitter side. Okay, this is emitter, and then if we know that once our capacitor, okay, so we have a RE here, and then we have capacitor here. So capacitor we have to short. Okay, once our capacitor here, okay, is we short, okay, short circuit, so we have to, means that the current will go through this here. So this one we remove. Okay, this part is, okay, remember we have to remove the RE. Okay, we have, because the current will going through this way, okay, not this way. Okay, alright, this is the fundamental of electrical circuits you already know. Okay, and then, okay, this is our output to the ground. Okay, this is, so we have to simplify our BJT circuit is like this first. Okay, so what happened in the R2, this one connect to the ground also. Okay, next, what we going to do? Okay, let's see, we start with the VS and RS first. Okay, to convert the BJT circuits, okay, to the RS, no, sorry, so RE model. Okay, first we have to remove the VCC and then refresh to the VCC to the ground. Okay, and then we have consider the capacitor and then make it short in the circuits like this. This is capacitor in the C1, this is capacitor C2, this is capacitor C3. Okay, so next, what happened to the circuits when we simplify, okay, into the RE model? Alright, so now what's going to be happen is we have RE, RS here, and then VS here, and then here, and then as you can see R1 is connected to the ground, so means here, starting here, okay, starting here, this is this point is the same thing. Okay, we just draw the R1 and then go to the ground. Same thing with the R2, okay, because it's sharing the same node, so it can be like this, ground, R2, and then we go into the base here. Okay, so now our emitter direct connect to the ground. Okay, and then our RC, as you can see here, RC, this is our collector base. Okay, share the same point here. Okay, and then connect to ground, RC, and then what we have here, collector here, this is our collector to the output. Okay, this is positive, and we have now it's a negative. Okay, now it's become like this. This is not RE model yet. Okay, so this is not RE model yet. Okay, next thing what will happen is, okay class, so we going to this slide. Okay, so as you can see in the slide, this is our RE model. Okay, okay, B is our base, E is the emitter. Okay, and then we have beta RE there, and then we have beta IB there, and then we have collector, and then we have emitter. Alright, so now let's see what we going to be happen, okay, in our circuits. Okay, what we have right now here, beta RE, here beta IB. Is it correct? beta RE, beta RB. Is it correct? You can see. Okay, beta RE, beta IB. Okay, same thing. So now what we going to do is, okay, this is our base. Okay, this is our, this one actually emitter, and then this is our collector. Okay. Okay, this is our base, this is our emitter, this is our collector. Okay, try to relate this circuit between this circuit and this circuit. Okay. Okay, so where is the base? Base is here. Base is here. Okay. Okay. You can see the base point is here, and then this is here. Emitter is point is here, and this is here. You can see emitter is directly connect to the ground. Alright, so we can drag it to the ground, and you can see the collector. Okay, this is collector. Okay, what is going to be happen? This is our RE model. Okay, BJT RE model. Okay, alright, BJT RE model. Okay, what's going to be happen? Okay, let's see. We start at the right side first. Okay, this collector connected to the RC, and then this output, right? So collector connected to the RC, and then this is ground. So we just connect to the ground here. Okay, this is our RC, and then this is our output. Okay, this is output. We expand here, positive, negative. This one P out. Okay, and then let's see in the base point. Okay, this is base, connects to the R1 and R2. So just put it here. This R1, R2, sorry, R2 first, and then this side is R1 and R2 both connects to the ground. Okay, so this is ground. And then we have what? We have for this point, same thing, share to this point. Okay, just relate to this circuit, and then we have RS here, and then this is our US. Alright, so you have complete to redraw the RE model for BJT. Okay, this is for what? BJT, for the voltage divider circuits. Okay. Okay, what we going to do, analyze to the circuit is actually, first we can combine this one, R1 and R2. Okay, actually R1 parallel with R2. Okay, and then we going to calculate the input impedance. So the name is ZI, and then we're going to calculate or determine the Z out here. Okay, we have a input impedance, we have a output impedance. What's else? Okay, let's we continue in the next video. Okay, thank you for your time, and thank you for your time.